Hi everybody, it's Bonnie Jean from BonnieJean.com. Welcome back to today's video. Today is day number 1 of our video blogging challenge. We will be producing a video Monday through Friday for the next 6 weeks that will give us a total of 30 videos for the video blogging challenge. Now if you don't feel that you could do a video every single day, that's fine. Do one Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or just do one a week. And then you can just take, one a week for the next 30 weeks. So you have your 30 videos completed. I created a private community over in Google+, so if you want to join us over there, that'd be great. Or you can just leave a link to your video at the bottom of today's video, right here underneath the video. Leave a link to your video so you can go over there and visit it, and then the other participants can come over and visit your blog too. So what do you talk about? Well, that depends. For today's video, just give a quick introduction to yourself. Tell people where you live, how you came about, to live there. Are you married? Are you single? Are you going to college? What are your hopes and dreams as far as the internet? I mean, the sky is the limit. Your video doesn't have to be longer than a minute long today. Just get on there, say hello, tell people how nervous you are, and, take it from there. So my video tip today for you actually is to make sure that you actually sit down and do a video. I don't care if it's 1 minute or 2 minutes long or, less than 10 minutes, whatever feels comfortable to you. I want you to get on a video camera and say hello, tell people where you live and, what you hope to accomplish through this video blogging challenge. And basically that's all you need to do. Now, if you don't have a video camera, you could use a webcam, or you can even go to your local library and ask them if they have a microphone and video equipment in order for you to use that. Because I know we did a video blogging challenge back in 2012, and one of the girls actually went to the local library. Now for me, when I started the video blogging challenge with Tiffany, I used this real small camera that I acquired from Amazon.com. It cost me less than $100, and it was as easy as pushing the button here to turn it on. See, now it's turned on. And then when I wanted to record, I just press this big button. And when you hear that little ding, and you'll see the flashing light, it's recording. Now, right now, I'm using a larger camera that I bought, soon thereafter. But this is how I started the video challenge. I started with a small camera like this, and it's less than $100. And this was the Kodak PlaySport, but they don't have them anymore. But you can get a comparable model, still less than $100 from Kodak. It's called the Kodak HD Playful video camera, and it works the same way. When you're done recording, press that button again. You'll see the red flashing light is now turned off, and your video is ready to upload to the internet. And essentially all you have to do is take the plug that came with it, plug it into the side of the camera, and then plug it into your computer and upload your video. It is that quick. So I'm going to end this video because I'm going to go check out everybody else's, and I will see you tomorrow. Good luck, have fun, take care, and we'll see you soon.